Hello everyone, you are welcome to ABJ Global Safety. Our topic today is Toolbox Talk. A Toolbox Talk is a short meeting held before the work begins. It usually lasts 5 to 15 minutes and focus on a specific hazard of the day work and safety precautions the workers must follow. The importance of Toolbox Talk. Toolbox Talk helps the workers to get awareness of the hazard related to their work. It helps the workers to ask questions and their concern. It helps to encourage company safety culture. It helps the worker to understand the work plan of the day. It prevents accident and injury. Who should be contacted to Toolbox Talk? A site engineer, a HSC officer, a team leader, a supervisor, any competent person that is assigned by the management. What should be included in Toolbox Talk? The task to be performed, the hazard associated with the task, the control measure to reduce the risk, the emergency procedure, the personal protective equipment required for the task, and question and feedback from the worker. Remember, a Toolbox Talk is not just a routine meeting, it's an opportunity to identify hazards and communicate safe work practice and protect life before the work begins. If you find this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and let me know in the comment section the next topic you would like us to explain. Remember, every accident is preventable when safety comes first. Thank you.